Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix missing transaction history or account balance in the Wells Fargo Mobile. If your balance or transactions aren't showing, it's almost always a syncing issues, so fix it fast. First of all, refresh the app by pulling down in the account screen. Also, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then find Wells Fargo app, then swipe it away. This fixes temporary glitches. Then switch networks. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues and then retry it. Then if you're on Android, clear your cache, and if you're on iOS, head over to your settings, go to iPhone storage, look for Wells Fargo and then offload the app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, log out and back in to force a resync. Lastly, if it's still missing, contact Wells Fargo. There may be account side holds for maintenance. Tip: scheduled maintenance often affects history. Try after 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.